What if climate change made forests store more carbon? Come read with me. So recently published in Environment Research Climate suggests that by 2100 India's forests could store up to nearly double the carbon compared to today. So what is happening exactly? So the report suggests the two reasons. The first one is plant use that more CO2 in the air, more CO2 in the air. So plant uses carbon dioxide to grow. So when CO2 level rises, the tree can grow faster. This is sometimes called a fertilizer effect. And the second one is more rainfall. Then climate model shows that many parts of India get more rain in future, which helps vegetation grow. Fine. Then if we put these two challenges, more CO2 in the air and more rainfall, then what will happen? Then it will grow more trees, more plants, and more carbon being stored, where this will be a present a more biggest challenge for the future. Like the biggest increase won't happen in the dense forest like Western Ghats or Himalayas. So the subtle change in the vegetation, where it will grow in the Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. The reason behind is because these areas currently have less vegetation, so even small important improvements in rain and CO2 can lead to big percentage growth. Further, in this report also extend that due to the current scenario of urbanization, there are certain post challenges like deforestation. Second one is wildfires and the heat waves, droughts, pests and disease. These challenges focus on destroying forests quickly and release all the stored carbon back into the atmosphere. Then the another important point is dense forests are already near the natural limits. This is called ecological saturation. Fine. Then so places like Western Ghats and Himalayas will grow the less forest and hamper in the long term. Now what will be the biggest key takeaway? The biggest takeaway is yes, forests might store more carbon in the future, but that's mainly because of the higher pollution and changing climate patterns. And if forests are damaged, they can switch from being a carbon sink, that is absorbing CO2, to a carbon source from the releasing CO2. So what will be the conclusion? The conclusion is that this is not the good news, it's a warning. Climate change is not just destroying nature, it's reshaping its unpredictable ways. And unless we protect our forests, this temporary gain could turn into a much biggest loss. So that's all for today. Thank you.